Gotten so far?
So far we caught a cold.
A cold? What else?
We got up 5 in the morning. Braved the dark, the cold, the fog to get to our spot, only to realize we forgot our tackle box.
So what are we fishing with?
Well, we're using the gear we have, but we can't make the changes we need to make, so we're going to have to go back to the bait shop and get some gear in a few minutes.
Really? But did you catch anything?
We got a few.
How many?
We caught 3.
Really?
3 so far.
Sexy.
2 keep. One little guy, we threw him back to his mom.
Yeah? There's my little bobber. Oh, they're making noise in here. Little fishies. Maybe they're running out of water?
Hit the button that says aerate. See the video, I want to beat on you.
Hold on, I'm gonna check my little fishies. Hello, little fishies.
See the plug? You gotta put the plug in. Put the plug into the hole.
Oh yeah, the plug is not in.